Understanding the Periodicals section in libraries. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of English language learning, especially useful for those of you interested in exploring libraries or academic resources. We're going to explore what the Periodicals section is and why it's an essential part of libraries. Understanding this will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your research skills. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the Periodicals section, let's first understand what periodicals are. Periodicals are publications that are issued at regular intervals, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. This category includes magazines, journals, newspapers, and newsletters. Unlike books that are published once, periodicals provide ongoing information, current news, research, or discussions on various topics. They are a key resource for staying updated with the latest trends, research findings, and news. The Periodicals section in a library is where you can find these publications. It's a dedicated area designed to house a wide range of periodicals covering various subjects and interests. Here, you can access academic journals that discuss the latest research and developments in specific fields, magazines that offer insights on lifestyle, technology, business, and more, newspapers that provide current news and updates from around the world, newsletters that might focus on specific topics, industries, or hobbies. Understanding how to navigate this section can greatly benefit your research, learning, and leisure reading. The Periodicals section is crucial for several reasons. It offers up-to-date information and research that can support your studies or personal interests. It helps in understanding the evolution of thought and developments within a particular field over time. For language learners, it's a treasure trove of material to practice reading comprehension, learn new vocabulary, and understand different writing styles. To make the most out of the Periodicals section, consider the following tips. Identify your purpose. Knowing what you're looking for, be it research, news updates, or leisure reading, can help you navigate the section more efficiently. Use the library's catalog. Many libraries have digital catalogs or databases to help you find specific titles or subjects. Ask librarians for help. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance if you're looking for something specific or need recommendations. The Periodicals section is a gateway to a wealth of knowledge and current information across various fields and interests. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or just a curious learner, understanding and utilizing this section can significantly enrich your learning experience. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering the English language and exploring the rich resources libraries have to offer. Happy reading and exploring!